Hello? Why is everybody split up? What's he doing in there? Hi. Hello? Hello? Yes, what you doing over there? What you doing in there? Hi. Oh, they're so pretty. Hi. What you doing up there? What's everybody doing? Hello, you so excited? They're not chewing on the feet. Hi. Are you such a good little lady? Hi. What God? Oh, hello. Where's you going? What's everybody doing? What? What's your little piggy? Where'd it go? Oh, yeah? You got a lot to say? Everybody got a lot to say? Nobody wants to play right now? You're so tired from your lunch. Oh, you want to play? You want to play with me? Yeah. Puppies. Hello. Hi. Oh, you seem like a good little puppy. Oh, yeah? You want all the attention to yourself? Yeah? What? I know. That's hogging all the attention. Oh, hello. Yeah, that's what you want. You too? Oh, you too? Everybody wants a little scratch? What? What are you doing over there? Yeah. What? Come here. Come get it. Come get it. What? Come on. What you doing up there? Oh, yeah? What? Why you say that? No. Socks is not for feet chewing. What? Come here. Oh, they're so handsome. Hello, puppies. What you doing over there? You just chasing my toes? She's just chasing my toes. Oh, puppies. Come get it. Come on. No. What? Hi. Oh, you're the little snuggle bug, huh? What you doing? What you doing over there? Hi. What you found the bunnies? Everybody, excuse me? Excuse me? Hey, no nibbling on the toes. Hi. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. You're talking on the bunnies? What? Well, excuse me? Oh, you being such a good puppy? Yeah? You're just sitting here waiting for your turn for some lovins? You too? Oh, excuse me. Hi. What? You cannot sit in my lap all day. What are you doing? Ooh, the puppies. Excuse me? Excuse me, is you the queen of the bunny? Wow.